Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I'm sharing a VR for Leanna over at It's a Deal. I will link her channel down below. She is hosting a birthday challenge. Her request is to send in a 3x5 tag, and she has some specifications on colors and on size. And all that information is up on her channel. Like I said, I will link that down below. This is the project that I'm going to be sending her. I've created one of my flat mail pieces, and this is just the card front. It says, "Life is sweet." On the inside, I have made some pockets for my items to go into. This is the tag that I created for her. And I just made a watermelon from the Doodle Charms Cricut cartridge, and used some washi tape and some of my handmade embellishments, and then I just put some watermelon twine up there. On the card, I just made a belly band to fit the tag, so that will slip right into there like that. Up here in this pocket, I just used a die for the pocket, and then I stamped out this little envelope and added a heart. Up here, I will be adding these little die cuts that I made, also using the Cricut cartridge, these watermelons. This is one of my favorite die cuts. I'm using the Cricut machine, and those are gonna go right up there in that pocket. Down here is my little note. In this longer little pocket, I used some watermelon paper and a die that I have. I stamped some little bees and some little trim on the side. It says "Sending smiles your way," and I've added some washi tape and this cute watermelon stamp. And up in this pocket, I'm going to be sharing a few cute summer bugs and then some little word stickers that are summer themed. And those are going to go right in this little pocket. And then down here in this last little pocket that I've made using some flamingo paper and a pocket die that I have, I made some circle embellishments, and I just used some summer words and some stickers to share with her. And that one. And that is my entry for Leanna's birthday challenge over at It's a Deal. Leanna, I hope you enjoy my entry. I hope you have a wonderful birthday month. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day.